country truly deserves. Thank you.
Let's vote Darna as president. Let's move forward to candidate number 13, Mr. Sandoval and Leonard Guerra of San Pablo.
Your question will be coming from judge number 2.
How do you define empowerment for young people, and what qualities do you believe are essential for achieving it? Paano mo ipinagkakahulugan ang pagbigay kapangyarihan sa mga kabataan? At ano-ano ang katangian sa tingin mo ang mahalaga upang makakita?
It's resilience. Because resilience means you need to do it again even if you lost or you fall. Because failure is not just about the end of your journey. Failure is also the beginning of new beginning of your journey that will grow in you.
Thank you so much for knowing when to stand up and where to do it again. Resilience. Now let's welcome our Miss Sandoval candidate number 30, Michael Joy of Cavite.
How would you describe yourself in one word and why? Paano mo ilalarawan ang iyong sarili sa isang salita at bakit?
I will describe myself as confidence because standing here in front of you take a lot of courage joining this Miss Sans ceremony. Thank you.
You are truly indeed beautifully confident. Now let's proceed to our Mr. Sandoval candidate number 14, Mr. Prince Austin Sayama of Santa Cruz.
Your question will be coming from judge number 1.
Okay, so candidate number 13. What is your vision for the future of your generation and how do you plan to contribute it? Ano ang iyong pananaw para sa kinabukasan ng iyong henerasyon at paano mo planong makatulong upang maisikatuparan?
Magandang hapon po, salamat po. Para po sa akin, ang magandang henerasyon po ngayon ay mga matatalinong mga kabataan. Dahil sabi nga po nila, ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya tayo po ay kami pong mga kabataan ay magiging magandang ehemplo at kailangan po namin ng pagkakaroon ng pagkakaisa para sa ikakaayos ng aming komunidad. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, truly, the youth are the chances of leadership. Our next candidate is candidate number 14, Shanina Saida, Mumbai. Our question will be coming from judge number 2.
How will you use your platform to make a difference in your community? Paano mo gagamitin ang iyong plataforma upang makagawa ng pagbabago sa iyong komunidad? Thank you.
I will use my platform to inspire the youth to care for our environment and create meaningful change. Thank you.
That's absolutely great. Now let's proceed to Mr. Sandoval candidate number 15, Mr. Justin Saidi Sanchez of Pangyo.
Your question will be coming from judge number 3.
What steps can be taken to ensure that young people have a stronger voice in decision-making processes within their schools and communities? Anong mga hakbang ang maaaring gawin upang matiyak na ang mga kabataan ay magkaroon ng mas malakas na boses sa mga process ng pagdedesisyon sa kanilang mga paaralan at komunidad?
I do believe that it is not about the voice, it is about the ears that listen. And if we are about to hear, I want to empower and speak about the youth, especially our mental health, because I think it is timely and relevant for us, and it's time for us to make a move. Thank you.
We should always really know how to listen and of course for our mental health. Let's welcome our Miss Sandoval candidate number 15, Naomi Arizaro of Pagsahar. Your question will be coming from judge number 1.
Number 15, what does inclusivity mean to you? Ano ang kahulugan ng pagiging inklusibo para sa'yo?
Inclusivity means equal treatment, and as an individual, we should be aware on equal treatment in everyone because we don't know what they can feel and we don't know what treatment of towards them. And I believe that we should be aware to their feelings because all of us has feelings. Thank you.
That concludes our preliminary casual interview for our Mr. and Miss Sansormo 2025. Once again, let's give them a round of applause, please.
Not exactly an easy way to express yourself, but of course the platform is always there, so we have to use it. And now we will award the Mr. and Miss Central Mall Department Store.
To be awarded by the manager, Miss Rosemary Diaz. And our Mr. Sandro Department Store is candidate number 3, Mr. Raven Montivo Victoria.
And our Miss Central Mall Department Store Award goes to candidate number 5, Gina Jela of Santa Cruz. Congratulations.
So much once again, our Mr. and Miss Sandro Department Store. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We already see the performances of our candidates during this preliminary competition.
For closing remarks, let us all welcome our mall property manager, Ms. Jennifer Hussein.
Good evening, everyone. In behalf of Sansormo, thank you so much for being with us today. And please don't miss our coronation night that's happening on November 15. We hope you enjoy the show and have a great day, everyone. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po muli, Ms. Jennifer Jose. Now, we are inviting all our judges to come up here to the stage for photo opportunity.
Let's welcome our judges who had, I think, a very hard time giving the scores because all of our candidates really gave their best performances.
our photo and video teams, photography. Thank you so much again to our panel of judges.
Thank you so much, our panel of judges. Thank you so much. So what an incredible evening we had. Tonight we witnessed beauty, confidence, and creativity take the center stage, proving that being on Mr. and Miss Sansormal is about more than looks. It is about talent, heart, and purpose.
That's right, Ray. Each of our candidates gave us an unforgettable performance, showing not just confidence, but character and a deep passion for what they do. Truly, tonight was a celebration of beauty. Wait a minute.
From the talent competition to the swimwear segment, and of course the casual interview, our candidates have proven that they have what it takes to wear the crown.
Of course, we would like to congratulate all of you because you are already winners. It will be a matter of which award is going to whom. Tonight, you have shown your prowess in all the competition. The experience you have gained in this competition is enough to consider yourself as winners.
Beautifully said, Edric. And with that, let's give again a warm of applause for our candidates who have shown their best for tonight's preliminary competition. And of course, this is only the beginning. The real excitement continues at the Mr. and Miss Sansormal 2025 Coronation Night happening on November 15, 1 p.m. right here at Sansormal.
Join us as we witness the crowning of the next generation of Sansor royalty, the Mr. and Miss Sansormal 2025. Once again, I am Edric Cipres, your Mr. Sansormal 2024, who always reminding to be kind and don't let anybody dull your sparkle.
And once again, I am Rizal Regarin, your Miss Sansormal 2024, and it has been such an honor hosting tonight's pre-pageant night. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you all again at the Coronation Night, where we will witness the crowning of our newest Mr. and Miss Sansormal 2025.
Thank you so much and have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.